Happy Wednesday, fourth graders. Today for vocabulary, we have another wow word to look at together. And having a look at this picture, can you guess what the wow word is? If you guessed recycle, you are correct. Our wow word for today is recycle. And if we split that word up, we have a prefix, which is a part of a word that's not a word on its own. So re is not a word on its own, but it is a prefix that's put on the front of words. And re means again. So whenever it's added to the front of a word, it always means again. And so cycle is the root part of the word, or the base part of the word. Cycle is the word, and re is the prefix on the front. Cycle means circle, and re means again. So when we're recycling materials, it's kind of, it's been used once and then it's been used again, and it kind of goes in a circle, and it's been going around and around and around and getting reused and reused and reused. So the re is the again part, and the cycle is the circular part. There are other words that we know that use the prefix re and use the root word cycle. So let's have a think about some of those. For re, which means again, think about rearrange, rewrite, rethink, and redo. Now, arrange, write, think, and do, just like cycle, those are all words on their own. So they're what we call root words, okay? Because they're words on their own. We arrange something. So when we put the re prefix on the front, that says we're going to arrange again. Rewrite means we're going to write again. Rethink, think again. And redo, do again. So that re prefix always tells us we're going to do something with that root part of the word. Now, if we look at the root word cycle, which means circle, can you think of some words that have that psych or cycle part? And hopefully you're thinking bicycle or tricycle that have that cycle part. And also words like cyclone or cyclops or cyclical, anything where it has that psych bit, which means circle. So in your vocabulary journal, as per usual, on Wednesday, you are going to turn to the middle section, which is the wow words, and you have a graphic organizer to fill out. Now this week, just like last week, we do have a prefix or a suffix, and this week it's a prefix, and the prefix is re, but we're going to talk about the root word first for our wow word, recycle. And the root word, the main base root part of the word that we're talking about is cycle, and the meaning of that is circle. So I want you to copy this into your vocabulary journal. You could even get this out now and start writing while I'm talking and pause the video and do it, or you can come back later and do this from the slides that I also put in the Canvas assignment. Other words using that root part cycle: bicycle, tricycle, cyclone, and any others that you can think of. Once you've filled that in, then come over to the prefix. Okay, pre means before. So prefix actually has a prefix in it, and that's pre, which means before. And the prefix is re, and that means again. And the other words we know would be rearrange, rewrite, rethink, redo, revise, reorganize. I'm sure you can think of a lot more. So don't forget to fill this out in your vocabulary journal. And you can also, in the text box, I would like you to tell me some words that you know that might have re as a prefix or cycle as the root word. Share with me what you know. You can ask your family members or anyone that you meet, say, what do you know? What words do you know that have re or cycle in them? See what you can discover that links them to our wow word for today. Off you go.